be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about this hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this wig. If this is your first time here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much. So this hair is a really affordable hair. It is not natural at all, not human hair, is not natural, it's 100% synthetic hair. I got the hair in a local beauty store here in Moscow. So more details about this hair is in the video, and if you want to see how I make this wig, please keep on watching this video, and after watching, please give it a huge thumbs up, share this video, like and comment. Thank you all so much for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for your support, and let's get started. So this is the hair I'm going to be using. It's called Noble Classic, and this hair comes with a free bang, which is really good. It's flame resistant, high temperature texture, and the hair is washable. So this is how the hair looks like, and it feels really soft. Now I'm going to go ahead and start installing the hair. I'm starting directly from the back, and I'm going to be using my hot glue gun and my hot glue stick. I love using this hot glue gun, this method, because it's super easy and very fast for me.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be.
After installing the hair from the down to the middle, I'm going to stop there, then come to the front. I'm going to start installing the bang. So the bang comes in two different colors, brown and black. I'm going to start with the brown first, then I'm going to add the black. I don't want the brown to be too obvious. That is why I'm going to put it inside, then the black is going to be on top.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be.
Now to close that space, I'm going to continue taking the hair round and round and round until the circle is fully closed. Then I'm going to cut a teeny pieces of hair and place it on that circle to close it properly and make it look real as possible.
Let's stay here, let's stay here in love. Let's stay here, let's stay here in love.
Now I'm just cutting out the hair on top of the bang. I didn't actually do anything like too much with the bang. Since the bang is already perfect on its own, I decided to just focus on the hair on top of that bang and just cut that out. It looks like a complete disaster. At this point, I was like, oh my god, what am I doing? This is one thing about synthetic hair. It's really difficult to make wig with synthetic hair if you don't know how to trim. So I went ahead and just trim all that hair out and leave only the bang. So I wanted to leave the hair like this and style the bang to one side. Then I changed my mind and decided to style it like this. So guys, this is all for this video and I hope you find this video helpful, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share and comment. Thank you guys so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.